Hi, this is Talis from SVC Energy, and welcome to our booth in Canton Fair. Look at our products. We are doing the solar generator, inverter, lithium battery. For this one, the solar generator all-in-one series. Lithium solar inverters and lithium battery together. And we have different capacity of 3.6 plus 8 kilowatt-hour lithium battery, and 11 kilowatts with 16 kilowatt-hour battery, and 6 kilowatts with 10 kilowatt-hour battery.
What's the kilowatt on this size?
This one is the 11 kilowatts and 16 kilowatt-hour. So the all-in-one series. And our manufacturer in our factory in Foshan.
And this size?
This one 3.6 plus 8 kilowatt-hours.
All right. And there?
And our new products for the small one, portable. 1 kilowatt inverter with 2 kilowatt-hour battery. And the portable one, 500 watts and 1 kilowatt-hour battery. You can bring it outside because no too heavy.
Nice. And this one?
And this one is the all-in-one too. 1.2 kilowatts and 1.28 kilowatt-hour inverter battery.
And it's your engineer?
No, our little boss. Say
Right.
hi.
Okay, hi. And how about, where's your factory and who's your customers? Where do you
Our
sell?
factory located in Foshan, Guangdong. And here are main market in Africa and Middle East. For Asia, we also do our clients.
And what do we see here? What is this?
This one is the inverters. And the factory, the history of our factory.
And is
And
this
this one,
market
the
is keep
lithium
growing? The market is growing. You work
Yes,
harder
of
every day?
course. Yes, of course. The market is growing every day, and the situation become better and better.
Imagine every pixel, every sound. Enabled through HDMI technology. From the highest resolutions, the fastest refresh rates, to immersive multi-channel audio, HDMI technology powers a worldwide ecosystem of devices for movies, for gaming, for creators. Experience clarity, performance, connection. HDMI technology. Connect the future today.